Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Firefox and restore default settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Firefox on your computer, begin by closing the application completely. On Windows, click the Start menu at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. Once the control panel opens, find and click on Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs. Click on Firefox to highlight it. Then, click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the list. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For macOS users, open the Finder from your dock. In the Finder sidebar, click on Applications. Locate Firefox in the Applications folder. Drag the Firefox icon to the trash bin on your dock. To restore default settings after uninstalling Firefox, first, make sure it is completely removed. Check for any leftover files by opening the Run dialog in Windows. Press the Windows key and R key at the same time. Type %aptita% and press Enter. Locate the Mozilla folder if it exists and delete it. For macOS users, open a new Finder window. In the menu bar, click Go, then select Go to Folder. Type /library application support and press Enter. Look for the Mozilla folder and move it to the trash. Now, you can reinstall Firefox by visiting the official Mozilla website. Download the latest version of Firefox. Open the downloaded file and follow the installation prompts. After installing, launch Firefox for a fresh, default experience. Check your settings and preferences to customize as needed. You're now ready to use Firefox with its default settings restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.